Are your legs keeping you up at night? Cramping, stiffness, or sudden spasms that stop you from walking comfortably? You are not alone. But here's the good news. Certain powerful foods can naturally relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop leg cramps before they even begin. In today's video, we are uncovering the top 3 nutrient-packed superfoods that help older adults stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and enjoy smoother movement every single day. So do not go anywhere. These nutrition tips could truly change your life. Before we dive in, let us make it personal. Let us know in the comments where you are watching from, and feel free to ask any questions. And please, do not forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a wellness tip from Zero Health. Let us begin with one of nature's simplest gifts: eggs. Among all the foods known to support muscle function, eggs rise to the top. Why? Because they are packed with essential nutrients that directly target the root causes of cramping in older adults. Muscle fatigue is a leading trigger of cramps. And as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia, which increases the risk of stiffness and spasms. Eggs are a complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids. Just one large egg delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein that helps rebuild and repair muscle tissue, reduce fatigue, and improve contraction efficiency. The result? Stronger muscles and fewer cramps. What about vitamin D? It is essential for calcium absorption and muscle performance. Without it, weakness, cramping, and even chronic pain can emerge. Egg yolks contain natural vitamin D. That is especially important for seniors who spend less time outdoors. While one egg provides about 40 international units of vitamin D, seniors need 800 to 1,000 daily. So pairing eggs with fortified milk, yogurt, or fatty fish like salmon or sardines can help meet your needs. For those still low, a supplement may be useful. Vitamin B12 is another critical nutrient in eggs. It keeps your nervous system healthy, supports the myelin sheath that protects nerves, and ensures smooth communication between nerves and muscles. This prevents misfired signals that can trigger spasms. Seniors are more prone to B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid and medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs. Eggs are gentle on digestion and offer a B12-rich, low-fat option compared to red meat. Perfect for vegetarians who still eat dairy. How many eggs per week? Research suggests that 6 to 7 eggs weekly is safe for most older adults and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels. Those with heart issues should consult their doctor. Egg whites are a great option for those managing cholesterol. Including eggs in breakfast or dinner supports overnight muscle recovery and helps reduce nighttime leg cramps. Just remember, those with kidney disease or diabetes should speak to a healthcare provider to customize intake. Next up, bananas. Delicious, affordable, and rich in potassium, an essential mineral for muscle contractions, fluid balance, and nerve signaling. Low potassium, also known as hypokalemia, leads to muscle spasms, cramps, and poor hydration control. One medium banana offers about 420 milligrams of potassium, nearly 12% of your daily needs. They also provide magnesium and vitamin B6, both crucial for nerve and muscle recovery. Low potassium levels disrupt communication between nerves and muscles, making contractions irregular and painful. Many seniors experience deficiencies due to reduced appetite, dehydration, or medications like diuretics. Bananas help restore lost potassium and keep fluid levels in check. Each banana contains 32 milligrams of magnesium, which calms muscles and helps prevent sudden cramps. Combining bananas with nuts or leafy greens boosts magnesium even more. Bananas also help with nighttime cramps. Eating 1 to 2 bananas about 1 to 2 hours before bed can relax muscles, ease tension, and improve sleep quality. Vitamin B6 in bananas supports neurotransmitters, reduces inflammation, and improves oxygen flow to muscles through red blood cells. Just one banana gives you nearly 30% of the daily B6 requirement. Bananas also provide natural sugars and water, promoting hydration and maintaining sodium balance. This supports smooth muscle function. How many bananas should seniors eat? For most, 1 banana per day is enough. Those with frequent cramps may benefit from 2 daily. But seniors with diabetes should enjoy bananas with fiber-rich foods like oats or nuts to prevent blood sugar spikes. Third, nuts and seeds. Often overlooked, these small snacks pack a serious nutritional punch. They are rich in magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and protein, all of which support muscle relaxation and nerve health. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews are top sources of magnesium. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gives you 168 milligrams, 40% of your daily requirement. Almonds and cashews also contribute significantly. While bananas are well known for potassium, nuts like pistachios deliver 290 milligrams per ounce, making them another great option. Seniors often lose electrolytes through sweat or medications, so replenishing them with magnesium and potassium is essential. Nuts do exactly that. They also contain healthy fats, like omega-3s from walnuts and flax seeds, which reduce muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve circulation, reducing cramp risk. Better blood flow means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles, essential for nighttime comfort and recovery. Nuts and seeds also help combat chronic inflammation, a major contributor to muscle fatigue. Their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds ease soreness and support long-term muscle health. What are the best nuts and seeds for preventing cramps? Pumpkin seeds, almonds, pistachios, cashews, walnuts, and flax seeds top the list. How much should seniors eat? 1 small handful per day, about 1 ounce, is perfect. Roughly 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. Best times to eat them? With meals to support nutrient absorption. Before bed, to ease nighttime cramps. After exercise to help muscles recover. But keep in mind, nuts are calorie-dense. Eat raw, unsalted varieties in moderation to avoid weight gain. Those with nut allergies or sensitive digestion should explore alternatives. To sum it up, for seniors looking to naturally reduce painful cramps and muscle tightness, add eggs, bananas, and nuts or seeds to your diet. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Pair these foods with leafy greens, dairy, or whole grains for extra benefit. And now it is your turn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment with your thoughts, your questions, or what health topic you would love us to explore next. And of course, subscribe and turn on that bell so you never miss a natural tip for better living. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.